We're an industry that's very focused on task, and we get very good at putting different measures and processes in place to improve tasks time and time again. One of the things that we don't spend as much attention looking at is people, how people communicate, how people act, how people manage one another. And so what that means is when we're promoting people from trades up into management roles, they often don't have that skills base. And essentially, we are an industry of managing people. And if we don't have that skill set, it's for me what's causing some of the biggest challenges in the sector at the moment. According to Shell's Powering Peak Performance Report, 42% of construction managers face a lack of expertise or training. For me, the key point in that is people training, management training, leadership training, and not just a couple of days course somewhere that people are going to forget within 2 weeks, but actually a blended learning approach that enables people to really update, use and continue their skills and see the benefit of them as well. Are there different ways of working? Can we think about how to timeshare, remote work? I know a lot of people don't think that that can be done on sites, but actually it has been. It's been piloted successfully, and I think that's one of the key things we need to think about working towards. The way to keep more women in the sector is pretty much the way to keep more people in the sector. We need to improve the way that we manage people, that we treat people, and that we think about our staff. In environments where people feel the organisation is fair and is just and will look after them, we tend to act in a much more collective manner. And that means we want to help other people because we see what's good for others is as good for the business and therefore as good for us.